Hmm? So, Tashidalek. Yes, yes. Okay. So, in the previous lesson, we learned about action doer particle, right? Hmm? Action doer particle, right? We call them Chedra. Chedra. What? Hmm? That's it. Okay. So these are the five action doer particle of Chedra, and they go according to the suffix, right? Whatever is the suffix, hmm, they go according to that. For example, here, when you say Shinken, Shinken, you know, the woodcutter. Hmm? When you say Shinken, the suffix is na. When you look at it, the last suffix is na, right? Hmm? When you say ken, prefix is ma, suffix is na. So because the na is the suffix, that's why kayata kyakiku ki sa ki. Just introducing, I'm showing you why it's kayata kyakiku ki sa ki here. Because of the suffix na, that's it. Okay? And we will learn about which suffix goes which one today. Okay? But before that, we will practice a little bit. Agosma. Okay? So I have introduced you action doer particle. This particle always goes after action doer. Whoever did the action, it should be after that. Agosma. That's it. Then we learned little bit actions, some actions, verbs, right? And when we learn verb, then we learn tense, present, past, future. And till now, we only learn present tense. Agosma, present tense. That's it. And we know the present tense is kiyu, kiyure, kidu. Tatawa, present tense. Agosma, tatawa. For example, nge chathunkiyu. Shimpodu. Nge chathunkiyu. Like nge palaki kalaksaki yure. Like I don't see it, but I know. It's my general knowledge. Agosma. That's why I say nge palaki kalaksaki yure. Okay? Takiduk. Oh, konki teplokidu. All of these are tatawa. We studied it in the previous lesson. Akosma. Present tense in different ending. Okay? That's it. Very good. So today we all gonna say one sentence with the kiyu, kiyure, kidu. Okay? Just practicing. You can say any word. Yeah. Marcelo Lainda.
Na porque John Kie.
Nga rebe nge rebe.
Nie porque John Kie.
That's it. Nge. You have to say, you have to put this particle, action doer particle.
Yeah.
Why I put only sa here? Because there is no suffix here. When there is no suffix, you can only put sa. Okay? That's it. Hmm? Apa semua? That's it. Very good. Hmm? Yes. Yang ker sung thang, Marcelo la.
Nie peke John ki ye.
That's it.
Um, yen hun ki teplok ki yere.
That's it. Tablock here. That's it.
Oh, keran ki chaton ki duk.
That's it. Well, very good. Oh yeah. That yeah, Sonia la inda. Sonia la inda. Yeah. Kiyu, kiyuri, kidu. Hmm?
Nge mangpo pesa loki ye.
Nge, pecha, mangpolo kiyu. Yang ker sung thang. Yang ker.
Nge pesa mangpo o ki mangpo pesa?
Mare. When you add adjective, mangpo is adjective. Should be
Yeah.
after the noun, not before the noun. Okay? Hmm?
Nge pesa mangpo loki ye.
That's it. Nge pecha mangpo lokiyo. That's it.
Kong ki ching chu ki duk.
That's it. Konki shin kidu. That's it. That's kidu. Now kiyore.
Kong ki kade cheke yure.
That's it.
Kong
That's
ki
perfect.
setong ki yure.
That's it. Konki sheton kiyore. Or Silium don ki sheton kiyore. Right? Well, very good. Yeah, dene yen hong la inda. Sundan.
nghe quê kê trong kỳ月
That's
nghe ba la kỳ cô ra kẹp kỳ月
that's it.
ô ô không khí cha thông kỳ tục
That's well. Yeah, Nikolela inda, Nikolela.
Lagin la.
Tisum la siktuk re soya inda.
Data ne gen la nien gyo.
That's it.
Mimanso zitsyo ultamo ultai yore.
That's it.
O lerokso zitsyo linka ton giduk.
That's it. Yeah. Very good. Tujiche Nikolela.
Hoji chegen la.
Yeah, ta dene en clair la inda, en clair la. Yeah.
도대체 아니 다시네 네 롭종 체키에
That's it.
네 모목 사유레
Nge momo saki yore or konki mokmok saki yore.
모목 사키레 okay sorry 콩 링카통 키둑
Use the action doer verb. You have to use that.
콩 sorry yeah okay 네 콩키 링카통 키둑
Kiduk. That's it.
키둑
Konki linkatong kiduk. Right?
콩키 링카통 키
Sonia ki höke jong kiduk. Anything. It's all moment. Akosuna. That's it. Very good try. In clever. So, dene ya. Mark la inda, mark la.
Genla, I'm sorry. I'm too behind. I'm not following. I have to have a session with you, I think. I'm sorry.
Lasso, no problem. I'm happy to do session with you. It will help me too. Thank you.
Okay. I just need to listen now.
Lasso.
Tashdele.
Tashdele. Tene Nimala in the Nimala. Nimala, Situ Baby Sorona.
Nga tso lobjong jinkiyo.
No, not Tsu. With the star.
Nga tata nga tso lobjong jinkiyo.
There.
Kirangi lobti jonkiyo re.
There.
Cha di purgidu.
No, that's it. Shadi Purkidu. That's fair. Evolution. Yeah, Tene Tarala in the Tarala. Try Chetan.
Gela, yes. Nghe thép mang hố kiyu.
Tep Mangpo Lok Ki. Where is the
Lok. Yes, sorry. Lok kiyu. Yeah. And then nghe zoom la quý khí dung kỳ đủ.
Tsu. Yanker Suntan.
Nghe zoom la quý khí dung kỳ đủ.
No, but you have to change the subject. Okay?
Think that.
No, because you do not realize or witness yourself right now. That's why. Akosuma?
Okay. So let me see.
Right.
Khống xứ zoom là quý khí dung kỳ đủ.
That's it. Kongsu. Okay, Jonkitu. That's it. Or
Okay.
Kiyuri. Let's try Kiyuri.
Kiyure. Okay. Kiyure. Không khí quý khí dung kiyure.
That's it. Konki, Peke, Jonki, Yuri. That's it. Akosuma? Very
Yes.
good. So the rule is verb plus kiyu or verb plus kiyuri or verb plus kidu. Lokiyu, lokiyuri, lokidu.
Lokiyure,
Jonkiyuri,
yokiyure. Yes.
jonkidu. Like this.
Very
Very good. Yeah, Jola in
Yeah.
that. Jola. Try Chetan.
You share.
Okay. So, Nye, Kafi Tung Kiyu.
That's it. Nye, coffee, tunkiyu. That's it. Fair.
Nye, Coffee Tung Kiyu. Okay. And then for the next one, Kongki.
That's it. Konki.
Kongki. Tamota.
Temota.
Temota. Kiyure.
That's it. Konki temota kiyuri. That's it. Very
Okay. And then for Kiduk, Kongki Teblo. Teblo. Kiduk.
That's it. Oh, konki teblo kidu. Like this. Agorma. Peapo. Tujichi jola. Dineya. Nurmala in the Nurmala. Try chigimbe.
Nghe Coco Tungyu.
Lasso. Dine?
Palatang Amala Kongsho YouTube Tagi Yuri.
That's it. Any D?
Oh, uh, pala karpatongkidu.
That's it. Where is the action doer?
콩, 콩기, karpatongkidu.
That's it. Konki kapartonkidu or palaki kapartonkidu. Agosuma. That's it. Ve ago normala tujiche. Dine ya yanala imbe yanala. Yanala siktup serona.
Sikchuk.
Ah,
Uh,
kidu.
just any verbs, not semotegidu.
Yeah. Any verb. Any verb.
Any verb?
Yeah.
Komto semotegidu.
That's it. Konsu tsemotekidu. Any
And nga kalasagidu.
nga kala saki yurba. Nga sa lava. Let's try
Yeah.
this.
Yes, sagiyu.
That's it. Nge kala saki yur.
Yeah, kalasagiyu.
Dine
Karere. Komte, no. Kala, cha tongiore.
that's it. Konsu cha tungi yur. Peya kosunsu. Tujiche yanala.
Todache.
That's all. Yeah, dine epolina la imbe. Try chigi imbe. Inda.
다시 들리겠나?
Dashi delek.
니 다다 록종지기 유.
That's it.
Then 니 이 박렙사기 유래.
That's it.
니 people. Yeah. Then 아닐라기 칼락소기둑.
That's it. Anilaki kalak sokidu. That's it. Beo. Tujiche. Dine ya. Maila imbe. Maila try chigi imbe.
다시 데레, 가츠, 부케, 로키두, 로키유,
That's it. Not sure. Perke loki years. That's it. Beo.
시미, 가라사키 유레,
That's it. Shimi. Kalak saki years. She, me with the sa. Akosuma. Very good. Beo.
기, 도포라, 페차로, 키두,
Pecha lokidu. That's it.
페차로 키두,
Beo. Tujiche.
도대체,
Dine wang chung chung la imbe. Wang chung chung.
다시 들리겠나?
Dashi delek. Ni tsikdu surana.
알았어. 예, 장통기회.
That's it. 네, 창통기. 네.
콘스기, 버게, 로전 제기회래.
네, 콩츠 기마다. 콩츠 하고서나.
홍츠.
That's it. 콩츠 벽에 정기. That's it.
알았어. 로산 라기, 버게, 라기두.
That's it. or 벽에 쉐기도.
쉐기두.
Anything. 하고서나. 도지체. 준줄라.
도지체.
Very good. We all did very well. 도지체. So that's the whole ups. Yeah. Hola, so yeah, uduk. Tatene, yeah. Dela. Yeah, tene di inda. And clear la inda. 부구디 가르치기도.
Pukudi,
부구 가르치기도 with the sa action rule.
puku, bisha, bisha, I've forgotten,
Look.
look, okay, bisha, look, ki, yure,
Kiduk ruba.
kiduk, okay.
You say kiyure when it's general knowledge for you. Akosma. Okay? That's
Okay.
연결인다. 부구 가르치기도.
Puku, bisha, loki, yiduk, kiduk.
पेशा मर्द पेशा
Picha,
से पेशा शा मारे छा पेशा
picha. And just look is reading.
look read
Picha, look.
부구 पेशा लोकि도 or you can say 부구 tap लोकि도 아고스마
Okay. Agoso.
뭐야 되네야 졸라인다 졸라 졸라 게든파 츠 가르치기도
Gedumpa tsul kalaksu kalaksu kiduk sa kalaksa kiduk.
That's it. 게든파
Shela.
or shelak you can say as an honor shelak chukido or kalak sakido.
Shelak, okay.
Okay, that's your choice. Akosma, very good. Payavo, tujichi. That's it. Akosong. Very good.
Tensila,
Yes.
can you go back to this picture again? Just now, yes, okay. What is tong? Tong here is means day, right? Or
Which one?
this one?
Gedunpa.
Kitong. Yeah, kitong. And then
Gedunpa.
pacho.
Gedunpa. Dire.
Ah,
Also gedunpa re. Akosma. Okay. That's it.
yeah. So what does it mean, Gedunpa?
It's like a monk or sangha or
Okay. Okay, so Gedunpa is like a group of monks or sangha.
when I say Gedunpa Tso, that's it. That's a group of. Then
Okay.
they do something. That's why. Gedunpa.
Okay, Gedungpa. Okay.
Or I can say Kongsu.
Yeah, Kongshu. Okay, I know Kongshu. And then, but the Gedunpa is the one that little bit make me think. Okay, what it is. Okay.
No.
Okay, so Gedungpa show is something like group of monks. Okay. Yeah, the rest is okay. Yes. Do you share?
That's it. Oh yeah. Yeah, then Sonia in the look troops 가르치기도.
Lukdruk tap lokiduk.
That's it. Look troops tap lokido. That's it. Or you can say look troops dobjong chekido. Anything. Agosma, very good. Tainda. Then yeah. 왕충충 라인다. 부모츠 가르치기도.
거모체 셰통기도.
That's it. 부모츠 셰통기도 or 루셰통기도. Very good. Yeah.
알았어.
아고스나 투지치.
투지치.
하고 야, 너네 달아라인다. 달아라. 콩츠 가르치기도.
Kongsu Lingka Tongkidu.
That's it. Very good. Well, 달아라하고 숭숭. Very good. 야, 따되니 마일라인다. 마일라. 미 디츠 미 디초 with the 사. 미 디츠 가르치기도.
아, 미디초, 네코, 키드,
네코 나온래. verb
네,
verb. 네코 drogidu or kora
네코도 키드, 콜라도 키드,
kora drogidu or kora japkidu or
콜라 겹기,
아고스. That's it.
어,
배하고 도지치. 미대츠 kora japkidu. Now, if you want to add location also, you want to try this?
오케이, 미디초, 네팔라,
Uh-huh.
콜라,
Uh-huh.
콜라, 조키드,
That's it. 미대츠 Nepal la or Buddha stupa la kora
보다
japkidu.
콜라 조키드,
아고스마 kora drogidu, kora japkidu.
콜라 겹기드,
That's it.
도대체,
Well,
Tensila,
yes, please.
Yang Kêu Sung Thang, Mi
Me?
Che,
Oh.
Mi De Cho, Bauda, Gom Yap Kidu,
Mare.
Mare.
You can write down Kora gap. Make a round.
Kora, okay, only Kora, no need to say, okay. Kora Yap Kidu, okay.
If you want to add location,
Yeah, that's what I want to add location.
Chuten la. Stupa la Kora gap kidu. Chuten la Kora gap kidu. That's it.
Shoten, okay, Shoten, okay, yes, the word Shoten, okay. Okay. Show,
Chuten la Kora gap kidu.
Shoten, Ra, Tata, okay. Hiku,
Oh.
Dingpo, okay, then. Shoten, yeah. Yeah, okay. Tuju She got it, yeah.
Peo.
Shoten la Kora
Gap kidu.
Gyapkido, yes,
Me
okay.
too. Chuten la Kora gap kidu.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay, yeah.
Or
Okay, when we are there already, can you give me the word for the Buddha is okay, Sangye. What is the word for Bodhisattvas? Jangsim?
Changchup Sempa.
Huh?
Changchup Sempa.
Bodhisattvas, huh? Changchup Sempa.
Yes, say Changchup Sempa. They say
Changchup Sempa. Buddha, the Sangye, okay. Sangye and Changchup Sempa, okay. And what is the word chok? Chok means direction?
that's it. Chok.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. I was doing the sadhana and then I was wondering what each word means. Do you share?
That's it. No problem. That's oh yeah. That's oh. Tade, if we notice here, Miditsu, Chuten La is a location. We can know this because La is after the Chuten, right? Miditsu, Chuten La, Kora Gyapkidu. Just like or Miditsu, Starbucks La, Coffee Tunkidu.
And Chuten is the stupa, right?
Really, Chuten Stupa. That's it. That in a Jola in the Kongniki Karichekidu.
I was muted. Okay. Kong Yi
Ki. Don't forget the
Kongiki. Kongiki. Netflix ta. Kiduk.
That's it.
Netflix ta. Kiduk.
Kongiki Netflix takido. That's it. Agosuma.
Can we,
Know how
could
to
you
do this. You just have to. Yes, yes.
be more confident? Yes.
Yes.
Can you also say koniki, koniki, tamota kiduk?
That's it.
Okay.
Kongiki temo takido. Agosuma temo. Yes. If you say tamo, that's also okay. It's a come accent.
But temo is more accurate.
I would say different accent. Okay.
Okay.
That's it. That's it. Very good. Fair. That's it. Yeah, dine Himalaya konki karichekidu.
Konki arak-tongiduk.
Dine keranki location dugodan.
Location. Kongi nang la arak kongi nang la arak-tongiduk.
That's it. Fair. Kujichi. Konki nangla arak tungidu. Or konki barla arak tungidu. Or chang tungidu. Fair kusumsum. Kujichi. Then we have
Tenzin what is the word for the arak? I know arak. What is the word for wine?
you can say chang. Chang.
Chang. Okay, chang tungiduk. Okay, chang. I remember chang now. Okay, tungjuche.
Yes.
Sorry, Genla, if I want to use gyun in this word, I want to make it wine from grape. Gyun, how I use it?
Oh, what do you mean?
I want to say wine. I don't want to say strong wine. I want to say wine. Gyun chak, gyun chang.
Tigire kerangi inayang anzu tenda pechu tongki yomari. We only use on the speaking. We only use chang and arak. That's it. That's it. Inayang kerangi tsik shemba pechu tongna. Tigire ke. You're welcome. That's all. The dene yen hong la inda. Konki karichekidu.
Konki kala so iduk.
That's it. Or we can say ma, pa, yata, cha, na, chen, ma, chen. Cook way. Akosuna cook. Ma, chen, cook. Ma, chen ki khalak sokidu. Ma, chen ki pasta sokidu. Ma, chen ki stir fry sokidu. Ma, chen ki fried rice sokidu. Akosuna. That's it. Ma, chen. Akosuna. Machenki karichekidu. Machenki halaksodu. Very good. Very good. Tujiche. Very good. Mola so tujiche. Very good. We did very well. So now we know a little bit about present tense. How to use ki, kiyure, kidu. We need practice, okay? Some of us already know how to say it, but to make it fluent, you just have to say it 2-3 times. That's it, without thinking English. That's it. If you think English, it's a waste of time, I will say. Just say it. That's it, 2-3 times, okay? Otherwise, we did very well. Thank you very much. So, we will do little bit revision, and we will today learn how these particles, action doer particle, connection particle, goes after the suffix of the words. Okay? That's first we will do Dreldra. It's a revision. Okay?
Jean, is it Mongolian word? Oh, Jean.
Genla, you enjoy playing with us, huh?
Yes, yes. I know it's now headache is coming. Okay?
We are all enjoy. No problem.
Looks already,
Okay. Okay.
particularly the last one.
So I have told you before in the lesson, these particles have no freedom, right? The way they work. Why we say they have no freedom? Because they have to rely on the suffix of the word. Okay? No? That's why. But when speaking, they say ki, or Sonia ki, and Claire ki, Joe ki, Yen Hong ki, like this. But when you write down, you have to write down according to the grammar. Okay? That's it. So, when there is tha, pa, sa, any of these three suffix, we write kayata kya ki kuki, like this. For example, ki, yak. When I say pö, what is the suffix? Tharva. Tha. If the tha is suffix, kayata kya ki kuki. That's it. I don't expect you to know this now. I'm introducing, okay, how it works. You don't need to know now, okay? Even Tibetan people don't know this well, okay? That's it. Tade, tha, pa, sa, ki. When there is tha suffix, for example, pö, ki, yak. That's it. Just like that. Then here we write kong ki head. When I say kong, na, you see na here, suffix. Then when there is a na, you write kakibuki. Kong ki head. Same when the suffix is na or ma or ra or la. You write kayata kyakibuki. Gyakhar. When I say Gyakhar, the second word, khar, what is the suffix? Ra. Khayata kyaki kuchi. Gyakhar ki khalak. Butter naan. Oh, butter chicken naan. Oh, आपको सुना? Okay. Gyakhar ki khalak. Now here, if the suffix is a, or if there is no suffix, may, you know, may, nala thep you, nala thep may, tha is ending or suffix. When there is no suffix, when there is no suffix, then you write akikui or yakikui as your wish.
Ako masong.
Oh, when there is no suffix, sometimes letters have no suffix. For example, ra, when I say ra, there is no suffix. So you can write ra-yi pu. Hair, rabapu. Ra-yi pu. Or you have a choice, re pu. You can write akikui or yakikui as you wish. And the reason when you say ra-yi-pu, there is 3 syllables. When you say re-pu, 2 syllables. So mostly people who write poetry use this. When he needs 1 word less, when he needs 1 word more. Like it's like you stretch your leg or fold your leg. Like this. Like this. So that's why you have a choice here. E. Or you can say ne go. Ne go. Or you can say na yi go. That's na yi go. Cheaper. Ne go thang na yi go. Cheaper. Okay? So now you understand why these are different and how it works. It's just introduction. I will copy this and send it in the WhatsApp. You can also copy this and look at it once a day. Or make it a song. Tapasaki kangaki namarala shilaki atantame itangi. Like this. Or you can say Tapasaki kangaki. As you wish. Sing a song. Make it nice. That's it. Then it will stay inside. Okay? There. In the Chironan. Okay? Oh yeah. And this is a grammar rule. And that rule is not just to make us confused. Okay? It has a very deep meaning. Okay? I understand that till now, what I will describe now, many teacher, or maybe you haven't heard about this, but it is very deep. Okay? For example, in English, when you say, I am hungry, that means you are identifying as hungry, right? After you eat the food, then who are you? So something like this happens in English language. When you say, I am hungry. Right? But in Tibetan, we say, my stomach is hungry. It's not I am hungry. It's my stomach is hungry. So you just create a gap between you and your body. This is very deep meaning. If you do like this every day, you create a gap. Consciously.
No I.
I'm not talking about no I. There is I. Okay? But
In the
that
sense
I,
of body.
you can get it at the last. Right now, because I think I'm body, I think I'm my thoughts, I think I'm my emotion. That's it. So when you put this particle, it makes you not identify. It creates, it says part of you. That's it. It's just a part of you. No? That's it. That's the reason. But nowadays, I understand. Even Tibetan people don't say this. My friends don't use this. No? They say nga thoko tokidu instead of saying nye thoko tokidu. I understand this. No? So I suggest you to use this Tibetan language or culture or whatever is. I'm not saying it's good, bad, beautiful, or ugly. Okay? In ancient time, people intentionally made it so that it's not just meditation, not just sitting 2 hours a day. It made us in a daily life, whatever we do, talk, read, walk, eat, whatever, or offer, or like this. Make offering. So that's why it's important. Not just a rule to make us confused, but it has effect. That's it. Sezang delta. Like this. So now we know how delta works. It's a connection. When you say my book, when you say nye tep, konki tep, nye kapar, konki kapar, nye pala, konki amala, nye chocho, nye trokpo, nye trokmo, konki trokpo, kongtsu trokpo. Like this. Sezang, even though other people don't use it, I suggest you to use it. Make habit. You can make any habit. That's it. Volas. Sezang de jejuk tha phasa, suffix tha phasa, kayata kyakikuki. Suffix ka nga, kakikuki. Suffix na ma ra la, kayata kyakikuki. Suffix ha or no suffix, akikui, yakikui. That's it. You have a choice. That's it. And we already know how to use this. Di nye khapar re. Di jo ki khapar mare. Di nye khapar re. Like this. You know this. Okay? That's it. Very good. Hola, so that's it. Yahudu. Tene Chedra. Then recently we learned Chedra, action dual particle. And the good thing about this is how they goes after suffix is totally same. Same as delta. chipare. Hmm? Like this. Let me show you. Hmm? That's it. Instead of kayata kekikuki, you write kayata kekikuki saki.
Sure.
For example, garab. When you say garab, you can see pa is the suffix, rab. When the pa is the suffix, you write kayata kekikuki saki. Right? Pa saki. Garab ki thep lokitu. Right? Garab ki thep lokitu. Or garab ki
Garab
lokitu.
garab karere.
Garab
Timing.
mean right
Mean,
now
timing.
I'm using it as a name. Suppose no garab. Garab ki thep lokitu. Garab ki khala sakitu. Just like that. Suppose no tha pa saki. Like this. Please, 1 minute. I have a
Tabasaki, Mamaki, Namarala ki. It's all the same.
Tujiche, thank you very much.
What is garab ki? I didn't get what.
Oh, Kamachi, 1 minute. I will do it.
Okay.
Just a person.
Oh, yeah. That's the Garab or Thara, Tenzin, Sonia, Yenhong, Ming, name.
Oh, it's a name. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Garab ki
Okay.
thep lokitu.
Okay.
Garab ki
Garab ki
thep
thep
lokitu. Like this. Abosma. That's it. So when we say Chedra, you show who is the action doer, right? These particles. So you put it after the action doer. Garab ki thep lokitu. Or if it's general knowledge, garab ki thep loki yuri. Just like that, same. Okay, Chedra Mari.
Tenzin La, the word for no suffix, is this te me?
No, tha me. Ma.
Ta me.
Tha. Tha. Ma. Jengpo me. Tha me. That's a grammatical term. Tha me. Like, actually, tha me is no. Tha is like an end or suffix. Oh yeah. Tha me. Okay. Now we know delta shows connection, Chedra shows action doer. And why I write sometimes kayate kyakiku kisaki, sometimes kakiku kisaki, some kayate kyakiku kisaki, or yi tang yi. Right? Now you know why I write them differently. That's the reason. I have to look.
Song. Got it already now. I got my answer. Yes, thank you.
That's very good. Okay. Right. These are revision, okay, revision. Then we did Latin, okay. For Latin, there are 7 of them. I'm not gonna say all of them. I will just say La here, okay. Just we use La, okay. There are 7 of them. Su, Ra, Ru, Tu, Na, La, Tu. La, Tu number 3 days. Apos ma? Nami ni shi dumbo ta, teni tsekap nam na chu. Latin. In simple word, Latin shows location, direction. Okay? And it shows something else also. If I say today, it's timing, when and where, location, where, timing, when. At that time, you say la, la, la. For example, at 5 o'clock, I went to McLeod. So, both are.
I'm sorry. You go to the next topic about Ladon, but I have a question about Jedra and
Okay,
Jedra.
yes, please.
Maybe you can scroll. If we got it right, we have 5 forms: ki, gi, ki, and yi, yi. 5 forms, right?
Really?
And yes, and we use, and in speech, we cannot differentiate the first 3. We say it the same way: ki, gi, ki, da, ba, sa, ki, ganga, ki. The question is, imagine that you are either Tommy Sanhota and you make a rule. So that the question for you as an inventor of this way of scribing: why after da, ba, sa you use ki, after ga, sa, gi, and after namarala, gi? Why?
Yes, yes.
Is you have any, how to say, any preference to use this form after that word? Can you feel any preference to use form? Thank you.
Okay. I have no, like, it is written there, or I have no reference like this. Why he made tapasaki? Because I can understand here, when you say tapasa, then I have to go deeper in the grammar. Even though they are a female, but when it comes to Jejuk, Katha Pasa Shinampo, they are the male. So it's like this. Out of female, then we choose some of them as a male, like this. Okay? Because these are male, ka yata kya, ka chata patsa is male. So male with a male, like a gay. I'm just kidding. There's something like
so you way to explain it is gender.
Yes, yes. So
gender. Okay,
now,
okay.
if I say it, it will more confuse. We have to go deeper in the grammar. Okay, that's it. So we have 3 categories. I just told, we just learned as a sound, different sound. But they named them also male, female, and transgender, like this. Money. Then we go to
transgenders is brave. Thank you.
money. For more money, like So right now it's not necessary. Okay? And Nimala, you can ask me in the private chat. I will describe you.
I get you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
That's right. Sujiche. That's it. Now we know delta and cheda, where to put it. Then why there is different? Because of the suffix. Okay, that's it. Then we know Latin. Gang laduk, ok laduk, chilok laduk, mang laduk, har laduk. We learned that. New York la yak yumare. La yak yure. Like this. So we learned this. Because many of others have no freedom, la is special. It has freedom. It don't have to look after the suffix. So you can use la after any location. No need to look for suffix. That's it. For example, if I use it, Kongki Hela Nangchu Jongki Yure. If I know someone who is studying Buddhism in Tibet, then I would say Kongki Hela Nangchu Jongki Yure. Ki Yure, present tense, general. What is the verb? Nangchu Jongki Yure. Then I add location. Hela Nangchu Jongki Yure. Then I add action doer. Kongki Hela Nangchu Jongki Yure. That's it. If you have difficulty reading it, read like this. Nangchu Jongki Yure. Hela Nangchu Jongki Yure. Kongki Hela Nangchu Jongki Yure. Just like this. Okay? So
Nangchu
yes, please.
Nangchu karele.
Nangchu, interchange. That's it.
Inner what?
Interchange.
Interchange. Nangchu jongit.
Nangchu. What people say Buddhism.
Nangchu.
But I would say that's wrong translation.
Okay.
Nangchu. That's it. Interchange. It's not a religion. It's a method. Nangchu. That's it. To change yourself. That's it. Nangchu. That's it. So that's it for today. Tujiche, Trashi Dalek. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the group or private. And I have our time, I will reply. That's it. If I don't reply, I must have no time. That's it.
Tenzin-la, you are the best.
Yeah.
You are the champion.
You are the best. Tujiche, Trashi Dalek.
Thank you.
Zisha.
Okay. Bye-bye. That's all.
Bye-bye.
That's it.